In this video, I'll show you how to create a dramatic opening where black bars appear on the screen, framing your video in an anime-style cinematic look. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the framing effect feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Anime Frame, then apply it. Once applied, black bars slide into place, framing the video and creating a strong cinematic anime style introduction. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the bars appear. Shorter duration makes the intro sharp and dramatic. Longer duration slows it down, adding tension and style. Preview the animation and adjust the timing to match your scene's intensity. And that's it. You've successfully added an anime frame opening in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.